More choices and lower prices couldn't get buyers off the fence. I'm David Stark and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. Compared with June, buyers had a lot more choices. However, there are about half as many homes on the market compared with July 2022. More homes for sale during the last 6 months is having a mixed impact on sales prices. Prices were down compared with June, yet were also slightly more than July 2022, though prices are nowhere near the peak from last spring. Even though buyers had more choices, sales were down during July. Let's look at what's happening locally, starting with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale. Take Albany out of the mix, and inventory was way down compared with last July. Castro Valley, Fremont, Newark, Union City, all down more than 70%. Prices, overall trending down. Albany and Newark down almost 20% compared with last July. Exceptions are Castro Valley, Hayward, and Union City. Sales, mixed. Alameda, Albany, Oakland down more than 30%. More sales in Castro Valley, Fremont, and Newark. West Contra Costa County is next. Homes for sale, way down. Richmond down more than 50%. Prices, mixed. El Cerrito up 19% to 1.39 and Richmond up to 715. Sales, mostly down. El Cerrito down almost 50%. Let's check Central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale, mostly down. Concord 68, Walnut Creek 41 for sale. Prices, mixed. Clayton up more than 20% to 1.32. Martinez and Walnut Creek both down 9%. Walnut Creek 1.5. Sales, mostly down. More choices meant more sales in Clayton. Martinez down more than 50%. La Miranda is next. Homes for sale, down compared with last July. Prices, mixed. Fewer choices in Orinda pushed prices up, 2.55 million. Sales, mixed. Lafayette drops more than 30% with 19 sold. Orinda, no change from last July. Next up is the Tri-Valley. Homes for sale. Fewer choices for buyers. Dublin, 15 homes for sale, down 80%. Prices, mixed. Livermore, 1.1 down 4%. Prices up in Danville, Pleasant, and San Ramon. Sales, mostly down. Dublin, 21 sold, down more than 30%. Livermore and Pleasant both down more than 20%. We're in the Delta, then we're done. Homes for sale, down everywhere. Oakley and Pittsburgh both down more than 50%. Prices, mixed with slight changes up and down. Brentwood up 5% to 867. Sales, mostly down. Antioch and Brentwood both dropped 40% compared with last July. Last thought. July is one of those months when, historically, real estate markets begin slowing. That said, rising inventory and what may be price stability could mean a late summer or early fall bump in activity. We'll see you next month.